Hi guys, so I will be making an ice candy. It's too hot in the Philippines right now. It's already summer, so this is good for a hot weather. So I will be using the cold, fresh milk, and then what do you call this one? Cream, and then condensed milk, and then the mango. So let's check it out later. Ayan guys, so I already put the mango, and then let's mix the condensed milk. Sisimutin natin yan kasi sayang. Yan, let's add the cream. Na-froze na siya. Yan. It's going to be very healthy. And for sure magugustuhan ka ng mga bata. And hindi lang bata, as well as the adults. Ayan. Let's put this. Halo-halo lang. And then let's put fresh milk. Halo-halo lang.